So if you guys are trying to remove the inner tie rod, change up the inner tie rod for a Tahoe hybrid, I gotta tell you, I tried at least 3 fittings on here, 3 sockets for the tie rod. Not a single one of them actually fits. So I don't know whether this has like a huge, larger difference in the tie rods or not, but so this is the replacement tie rod that came with it, and this replacement tie rod looks like a lot. It just looks smaller than the one. It just looks smaller. But to be honest with you, this is not an OEM part, so I don't know. We'll see what happens.